Oh, look what I have. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this Illumicrate exclusive for Emily Henry. It is her 3 book releases. Before we dive into that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want more book videos. Okay, so let's just open this up. I'm really excited to see these. When I got the email notification with the pictures of them, I was really excited with what they had done for the cover designs. So I'm hoping that I like them just as much in person. Okay, so they're all bubble wrapped. Usually with Illumicrate, they put the books in like an Illumicrate like yellow like bag, but these are all bubble wrapped instead. So we have the first, let me just pull them all out. Okay, so initial thoughts before I take them out of the bubble. They are a lot smaller than I thought they were going to be. So the Ali Hazelwood Love Hypothesis exclusive was also pretty small, so I feel like I should have seen that coming. Okay, so let's start with the first one, which is Beach Read. Ooh. Okay, so this one is probably my second favorite book out of her 3 ones that I have here. I really do just like the cover. I was super drawn to them. I did like the color theme that they did, like the bright colors. And I like that they're kind of like, I don't know, it's just like such clean lines, and I love that. So the side is pink, bright pink, and I'm super into that as well. The inside is a bright blue. Okay, so with the, so I was wondering if they were doing some sort of like emboss here, because with the Love Hypothesis one, which I have a video of me unboxing that one, the cover was like embossed on the inside, but this one is just plain white. Oh my gosh, I love that though. That is like a pink, and it's really pretty. It looks really good. Yeah, the inside just looks normal. I don't know if these are supposed to be, or if, I feel like maybe one of these is signed, but I'm not sure. Oh, okay, so on the back it has Illumicrate exclusive, and then I kind of like, so in the inside panel, there's her author photo, and then the pictures of her other 2 books are the covers that we have here. So that's pretty cool. So that's the entire thing. I really like it. I feel like it's a very like classy cover. Next one. Okay, so the UK version is called You and Me on Vacation. The US version is People We Meet on Vacation. This one, here, let me open it. This one, since these are from the UK, it is the You and Me on Vacation version, which I actually like the name of that book better than People We Meet on Vacation, because I feel like the book was about the 2 main characters going on vacation versus people that they meet on vacation. So I actually like the title of that better. And the cover is super cute. So we have the 2 little people, and she's on like an inflatable unicorn. The side is bright blue. I wonder if the inside, oh, the inside is bright blue as well. I was wondering, I'm like, is the inside gonna be bright pink to kind of complement the other one? But no, it's bright blue as well. There's little palm trees right there. Oh, this one's pink too. Okay, so this one is also pink. And then there's the cover. They have on the back for the little blurb, it's like divided into 12 summers ago, 11 summers ago, 10 summers ago, 7 summers ago, 2 summers ago, this summer, because then it kind of goes through the summers that we read about in the book. So that's pretty cool. I am actually really happy with them so far. I really do feel like the cover art, I'm really into it. Okay, the last one is Book Lovers, and that's the one that came out this year in 2022. Whoa. So this one is bright purple. Look at that. And then the back. Okay, so the inside is blue. Okay, so this one is a signed edition. The Book Lovers one is signed. So let's see if the emboss is pink again. Yep, it is. So that's pink. And then white. Oh, and look, she's sitting on a little boat. That's so cute. Okay, so for these, so for the two that I just looked at, it looks like the people on the covers are like more prominent than it is in Beach Read. So like we have the two little people in the canoe that you can see, and then Poppy and Alex by the pool. With this one, that we have like her feet, and then the guy is like way off in the corner. So they're not like as prominent as the people on these ones. I'm still super excited. They look so cute all together. So those are gonna look really awesome on a shelf. I love how colorful they are. I'm super excited that I got my hands on these special editions. Yeah, I'm very, very, very happy with these releases. Yeah, I think they look really good. I think they did a really good job with the artwork. Honestly, like, I wouldn't really change anything about these. Real quick, there's one thing I would change that I just noticed. Okay, so for Beach Read, her name is down here and the title is up here. But with the other two, her name is at the top and the titles are below the name. So when they're sitting all three, it doesn't line up. Like her name, I feel like her name should be at the top of all three with the title underneath. So Beach Read is a little bit different. But I just noticed that. That's not something that I noticed right away. So that's just a little thing that I wish would be like just a touch different. But this one is a signed edition, so I feel like it's a little bit different than the other two. But regardless, I like the covers and I think they did a really good job. All right, guys, thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.